I'm sitting next to my Mitsubishi Triton L200 3.2 liter diesel truck. It is 18 years old. I have here a packet of 21mm wheel nut indicators. Although the truck is old, it is never too late to enhance safety. I don't like the yellow color of the indicators. It stands out too obvious, so I will spray paint these before I install it. So join me in this video as I install these wheel nut indicators. The packet contains 25 wheel nut indicators. I've placed them so that the outward face, which has the number 21, is showing, because when I install it, that will be the face that is showing outwards. I will spray paint the outward face first, then I'll turn it over and spray the inward face. That's adequate for first spray. We'll let it dry. I have finished giving all the 25 pieces of nut indicators 2 coats of black spray paint. This is one of them. I have also used my Warren and Brown torque wrench to tighten all the nuts on all 4 sets of wheels. So now it's time to install the wheel nut indicators. For my set of wheels, I'm not able to use the pointy end of the indicator on this side because of the protrusion of the rim. The way the indicator is used is that if it is pointing at any particular position, and if the nut loosens, then it will turn, and therefore that gives a simple visual check to whether the nut has loosened. So I could point the indicator towards that, or I could point it towards that, or I could point it towards this, or I could point it towards this. But over time, I'll forget which corner I initialized the pointing at. So I will opt to point right at the center between these 2 ridges. So to install it, orient it in the exact position I want, then push it in. There, so that's pointing towards the center. The paint has stripped off, but that's okay. By the way, I only spray painted the top and the sides, not the reverse side. So now I'll complete installing to the remainder 5 wheel nuts. It appears the paint doesn't stick very well. It will probably flake off easily over time. There you go, that's not good. I think I will have to live with that. Well, that's it. That's 6 wheel nut indicators installed on the first wheel. And as I said, the paint doesn't stick well to the plastic. Maybe there's other types of paint that stick better to plastic. I will investigate that. But at least this way, there's a simple, visible check for me to routinely inspect the wheel nut to make sure they haven't loosened. I do hope you enjoyed this video and found it interesting. Do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more and help the channel grow. Thank you so much.